hairbrushes should never look like this, okay guys, especially at home. So I'm going to show you how to properly clean these with some soap water. That soapy water is nice and warm, and just use a gentle shampoo. I'm going to use a comb to pick out the hair. I'm going to use a toothbrush, not mine, I promise. It's just a replacement one I use to clean my brushes with to get the detail work. And then I'm going to use antibacterial soap, and we're going to get a nice clean brush, and I'm going to tell you why you need to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get to cleaning your brushes. So I'm not sure if you know this, but I learned it not too long ago that when you see your brushes and you see that lint on the brushes, you think it's lint, right? It's not. It's actually dead skin cells and bacteria that's growing on your brushes. So it's really, really important to clean your brushes. That promotes a healthy scalp. And guess what that means? If your scalp is healthy, that means your hair is going to grow, should grow, could possibly grow faster. So it all starts here because this is where the hair growth is coming from. I think a lot of people think that their hair grows from the bottom. It doesn't. It grows from the scalp. So it really matters about what you're putting on your scalp, your clean brushes, what you're digesting, the vitamins you're taking, all that good stuff. So I'm going to teach you guys how to properly clean your brushes. So let's start. At the salon, I actually have a comb that is made to clean the brushes, right? So I don't have that with me right now. I'm going to use just a regular comb. And, you know, it's so funny because I clean my brushes religiously at the salon and I forget about my own. Like, I feel like that's always the case anyway with most hairstylists working in hair salons. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all of the hair that I see, all that lint, right? Remember, it's not really lint. I'm going to clean that up. And you can use a tweezer as well, or get that brush like I had mentioned, literally made to do this instead of ruining your nice comb, okay? I'm gonna put this in a little trash can I've got over here. Now all the hair is out of my brush, all that lint is out of my brush. I'm gonna dip it into the soapy water. Dip, 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 dip. Then I'm gonna take my toothbrush. Again, this is my toothbrush, but I replaced the nozzle, whatever it is. Yeah, I guess it's a nozzle, right? With a replacement that I only clean my brushes and other things with. So I would never put this on my teeth. That would be nasty. Once that's nice and soaked in, I'm gonna take my toothbrush and I'm gonna really get into the grooves here and clean, especially that lint. Well, again, it's not lint. Ew, makes me wanna barf. You know, sometimes you can't get it with the tweezer or the comb. So this really helps dig out a lot of that nasty stuff. And I have got it pretty much all nice and clean there. Okay. Once you feel really good about it, you're going to take your 70% alcohol spray. This is more of like a gel. I don't have a spray, but a spray would be ideal. You're going to spray it on there. I like to flick off the excess, and I'm going to let it dry, just like this one. Nice and clean brushes right here, all good to go now. Beautiful. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you're following me on TikTok, Tone Hair Salon. Make sure you're subscribed here because I've got so many more tips for you guys. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, Tone Hair Salon NC, and Pinterest, Tone Hair Salon. All right, love y'all. Bye.